Hi, this is how to repair a lawnmower. I'm here today with my little helper Nick, and we're back to show you how to replace a recoil or pull start on a lawnmower. This particular one's a Briggs & Stratton, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is just remove the housing from the top. It's quite simple. Okay, so we've got these out. It takes a while because they're quite long. I'm going to pop them in there. You'll probably notice everything's wet. It's because we're in the UK where it rains a lot. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just remove the top and we'll just put that somewhere safe. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, just as a point, there could be a couple of reasons that you replace one of these. One could be because it's broken, or like me, if you buy and sell, it could just be that it's quite dirty, and if I want to sell this machine, it'll just look nicer with a cleaner rope on it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the top, and then we're going to show you how to get inside and how to replace the pull start. Okay, so we have a few bolts to remove the casing. So we have one here, and then round at the front we have one here, and then if we can just get round and see, we have one here that just holds on the guard for the exhaust, just around there. Okay, so let's just start by removing these. Now the thing is that replacing one of these could seem like a really daunting task, but they are, honestly, they're very, very easy to do if you know what you're doing. You don't need to be messing about. We need to do is just remove these little bolts that hold on the dipstick. Okay, so now we can remove the top, and there is your pull start, and you'll notice that these little plastic bits come out as you pull, and they'll turn the flywheel. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to replace this. So the next tool you'll need is a little clamp. I think I got this one on the internet, but you can get them quite cheaply in any DIY store. And what we'll do is I'll get my little assistant here, Nikolai, and he's going to just pull the cord out. As you notice, as it spins, these little white plastic bits come out and they catch the flywheel, and that's what starts the motor. So we'll get it so that it's fully taut, and then what we'll do is I'm going to just pop this inside. So you can see here that this is now going to stop it from recoiling back. And now if Nikolai lets go, we'll see that the string is off, and then all we do is we'll pull the old string out, we'll undo the knot, and then we'll pull it back out, and then we'll show you how to get the new string ready and how to get it back in. The great thing about doing it this way is we don't have to mess about taking springs apart or anything like that. It's literally take the old one out and put the new one in. So we'll do that now. So what we do then is you'll see that there's a hole either side, and inside here is the other side of the pull cord. So what we'll do is we'll either cut that or undo the knot, and then we'll start to put the new cord on. Okay, I never cut, and I'll tell you what, I've got the wrong rope in store. This is a 4mm, this is a 3mm, so I'm going to have to order some more rope for this machine, but I'll give that to you, Nick. Just for the fact that I want to show you how to do this, we're going to assume that this is your new rope, okay? Very, very simple. It's basically reverse order. So what we're going to do is, we've got the hole here, and we're going to go in through the hole, and then you'll see on the inside that it's going to, hopefully, it's a bit stubborn. There we go. And that's going to come out that side, and then we'll pull it through. Okay, so this is a little bit of a fiddly bit. So the way to get it back onto the handle, as you'll see, there's a hole that goes through, and we'll poke it so that it's sticking out the hole, and then the idea is to push the screwdriver in so that we can get hold of it. So I'll do that quickly, and there you can see it's just starting to poke out there. And then we get some pliers in there, we'll pop it out. Okay, then it's a case of tying another knot. Again, excuse my hands, but it is so muddy and filthy, and these machines do get dirty. So there we go. And then all we do then, pull it back in, and there we go, it's sat in. The next thing to do, thank you Nikolai. Next thing to do is to allow the recoil to wind itself up again. Now, the best thing to do is hold on to the rope, take the clamp off, and then just very gently, we'll just allow it to recoil, and that recoils beautifully. Look at that, perfect. So we'll pop it back on the machine, and then we'll show you it pulling. Okay, all that's left to do then is to put it back on the machine, and it is basically in reverse order. So the first thing we'll do, and thankfully Nick had all the bits and pieces in here, the first thing we'll do is just pop the dipstick, which is my wife's affectionate name for me, into here. There we go. And then it's pretty self-explanatory. What we do have to remember is that when we're putting this bolt on, we're making sure that the guard that's going through the guard, because this is the bolt that also holds on the guard to stop you burning your hands on the exhaust. Is to put the guard back on, so making sure that we pull the handle through, and then we need to just line up the holes into the guard. So we'll just tighten these up. And then we'll get the lawnmower down and we'll show you the recoil or pull start working. Okay, so we're just starting to rain again, so we're just in time. So what we do is we'll pull the clutch in so that we can release the pull cord. We'll pop it back into its hole in there. Okay, and then we'll just show you. Now this machine hasn't got any petrol in it because I'm going to be working on it. And also, you may have noticed as well, I didn't pull the spark plug out when I was working on it, but a lot of the time I do that when I'm working with the blade. So, there we go. That pull cord is working perfectly. Now I know it's the old one, but it's the same procedure if you put a new one in. Please subscribe to the channel, because if you do that, I can keep making these videos. Why pay for books or pay for people to service and repair your lawnmowers when you can do it yourself? So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. For myself and Nikolai wants to dedicate this one to his dad, Darren Lambert. We'll see you again very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.